are leaving the junction of 3 hours now, straight to Ugo. I'm going to be showing you the road straight down to Enoge of Ugo Palace. We are stopping over to buy a fuel.
Right now, my people, we still the road. We dey go Oriomo. We'll go for a Oriomo local government. So once we reach there, we'll let you know. We dey road now, as you can see, the road now for here go. For red, you see give good small, but if you reach the bad spot, you go see CIP. Wait till they pay me pass for that place. The top politician for Edo State, and most of them are that side there for come. But at the end, their road, she know they let us, they talk on. See, now there they for come because the thing too dey bad. If we reach there, my people, we'll let you know.
This is White Junction at Udogbo.
country people, where we dey now, we dey Evarue village. We don dey comot for Igbe, enter Evarue village. You go see am say na from this Evarue, from here, na everything start to disappear finish. By una view, una go see the road say the way e be, e no go even let talk for face, because why? If you see yourself, you go know say yes, people for this area, they suffer the road, especially this rainy season. From Evarue here, we go dey give una more report and I go dey see the way they be, they go. Everything don change. Everywhere fence we dey come before since, but here now e be like say we just dey inside one deep forest. Say maybe the government you only reach there. Up till now, see gutter wey they say that they do. The thing get as e be for face. No they come, e no they go. But as more they come, we go dey give una more reports about am. Right now we still dey Evarue. We dey go front, we show una more about Oriomo Road, because why the thing don too cry for our area. Now we say make we visit am. We go show una more of to see. My country people, una dey see even some of the things like caterpillar, they can't remove the whole road where they first put, because they don't see and say the thing don't too much, they let them pass again. We just pass one caterpillar for road now, they say some see the front. As we reach, we will let una they know. This one na Oriomo. Oh, not be Oriomo wey me know before, not be the road be this. If they go like this, but it not good for here. We had top politicians for come for Edo State. My people, look, we advise ourselves for this country. We just they kill everything by ourselves. We will say president. President for where? We even state where is know their country as it be. They don't feel handle their own state of things. Even the road where they for come, the road house where they for come, they don't even feel repair the road. How we go take survive for this country? Food not be even the matter. See road where they pass, they go different places. We not feel pass again. Even the most of the people what they talk about, my papa, my mama, they even come for this side to go house to come visit us for town. Now wahala. How we go take survive for like this? People will go abroad, they come their place now. They not go see house pass. They not go see road enter. Then how we go take do them? Even when we know say yes, we did rainy season. Government not will say okay, they do one or two things. They go reach time of election, they go promise heaven ahead. Road they not go do. Light they not go fix. Nothing for this country. Where would they believe them? Because why? If they tell us today, tomorrow, now different things. It go be like say we they carry our hand, they carry draw air fire near ourselves. My people, we now go see more of fun. This one is just the beginning. But they say the caterpillar, they just dey here, work, they not work. Ocean say yes, then they do what they say make they do. If they touch her today, tomorrow they don't leave her for us. We don't know how we want to one. See here now. Tomorrow night, friend, for join this one, motor not go fit pass here. How we go take do this thing for this country? We they ask ourselves, but we even the government to come the answer because we don't cry many times. None of them they answer. As it be so, all our people they not fit enter Benin. Even city where they call their own place to come na wahala, to visit na problem, even to see light na problem too. How we go take do am? If we reach, we go ask some of DG wey come for Oriomo, make una hear their view and then they suffer the road. If they dey enjoy am, una go still know. But one thing we go tell ourselves, let those people see they sleep, they wake up, know say yes, we want the chop for their belly. After everything what we don send them go do for our House of Rep, Senate, even governor, but I don't even know whether this road they exist now. That one a pity. Now a very big pity. We go call Ijaw person or Hausa person or Igbo person make come repair our Edo state for us. It not fit happen because they get work to do for their state as well. I beg, make we dey reason ourselves small small. We go dey give una more as we dey see am. Because yes, so when we wan reach, my math no fit talk this place. Make una see by una self o. If una see road as e be, road wey dey to Abraka as well. Wow, my country people. See gutter, e no dey float, nothing. Which help you can't do for here? They use blocks, set gutter, use and plaster am. Make una ask them. Now so they want to give us the good generation what we say we go to see. As everywhere they develop, even at those states they go back. We don't know how we want to do for this state again. No, nowhere. He go even let us say yes, we go proud of say yes, this one I will tell our government to help us. At the end of the day, the time of election go soon come. They go see they say now so they want to do. Now so they don't want to. Now so they go do. Heaven ahead, but at the end of the day, now the fire of it that they give us. If we talk, they will say we do talk. If you know they let protests, they come out again because of the bad government we get. Insecurities, now we they talk of. See everywhere, we not fit talk, we not fit come out for our state. Even to football say we wear by fire shoe na problem. Our country people, make we advise ourselves for see more as bad government, make they call help these people because why? It's too much. See gutter what they do. You know they float, nothing. Water just dey there like say maybe na fish pond that they put for here. But this country now, wow! This country now, wow! See gutter, see wetin they cut. It be like foundation. It be like foundation or wetin they want to do a fish pond. See gutter, see wetin they cut. See gutter, see wetin they cut gutter. Now they tell they dig gutter. For federal road, for that matter, here lead to Abraka, Delta State. Oriomo, it don't go. Here don't go. I want for my country people. Make una see una government. Wetin they use our eye see? Not be small. We don't talk, we don't cry, we don't tire. Can't be say the gutter what they do now make the erosion they stay inside. See how they go. Mona you see how they go. See equipment. See the way they measure gutter. See what they do. Right now, my country people, we there how you go village. How you go village. As you go, right now you go see the town hall, even the youth, some of them, they sit down for outside. This one now, how you go town hall, the youth, they outside there. Without they enter more deep of the village. Very soon they will go. country Koko, we dey Okobo village for Iyokoriomo. See I say Wakado they go small. We for don't reach where we they go for go now because of the bad road, the bad government. Right now, you see some of the community, they put trace, they put roads for their community. When we got to resort, they say the community for not develop part this one. Why? Because of the bad road. That make can still be like this. Bad road and bad government what we get. If me and you now from this place, we know they make help. We not just do. Now we go soon reach Ebuga. If we reach, we will let you know, my country people. All reports will come. Hey, my country people, we dey Igwe village right now. Igwe village, now we dey. We still dey go. If we reach, we now go dey see. As we dey go, you dey see the road as it be. Since we enter the band spot, we never see where. See, it's still good small. All my ways don't they pay me because of the gallop when we pass. If to say me, I know say that so the road be. I for use helicopter, take pass and go where they go. But my country people, this one not go for a year, it not go for eye to see. Make una come to these people here because why? The thing they worst and it dey increase every day. We go show more you report as the road they go. My country people, una see road, motorway pass here. The next thing na to go to mechanic. You no fit pass here, go relax your motor for us. Even all those transporters wey dey here, they say they no dey see soup money because of say na mechanic na they pay their money put now. Everyday mechanic because of the bad route. See where motor dey pass, e be like abandoned area.
Yeah.
My country people, we dey Idowuna right now. Idowuna village now we dey for Oriomo. We still dey go. Many village dey before then. You see the road as e be. How to reach their houses and their places na wahala. The road dey very bad and e no good to tell. Make we dey try do something for this place. Even at all, anything at all, make they just help them. Because this one wey they dey so, e no dey help issue at all. Even the gutter wey they dey do, how you want to help that road? Because why? That gutter dey very tiny and very small. Rain go fall, e no dey float water at all. Where the rain for your meter and there e dey. Abeg, make government come to this place, make they come look it around. Check this matter as e be. The road no just dey compensated at all. Make they try do something for here. Even though na one way they fit do for them, e go good, but e go good make they just complete am for the two way. Because why here na still federal road, e lead to Abraka, which is Delta State. Make una try look into this matter, help them, make they comot for inside this suffer wey they dey so. Abeg my country people, we dey beg our government today, make they come see this place, make they come do something for here.
This will do while you live there. So that the know the do there. So you go to take place for it's a house. So they carry somebody back. They come to move since we did that. So your brother. So you call on, you ask them what to do. They're not just. No, I just talk about it. Ask them, say, what is they doing? And say, we're not going to
people, we dey Ugboko village for Eyokoriomo.
We're in the filling station buying some fuel. Buying some fuel. From here now we move on to Ugo Junction.
facility, you know, you walk by.
I will to record it.
My country people, finally, we don almost land for Ugo. After this checking point, we go reach Ugo. Right now, this one are the checking point we did before Ugo and Ugo police station. See them, they dey for front.
Where is that? Hello, where? Hello,
So now Ugo police station. See the way we take divert enter here, the main road, major road, you know, they know the fit pass again. This one na lane where they come tie small way that they pass for inside town before. Now more to the pass. Finally, we land for Ugo. Welcome to Ugo community. Now, Ugo town, we did the first junction for Ugo here.
This is Central for Ugo Junction. This is no difference. Now they two go up. Oh. We are there with that. Okay.